Kate, I went to Samoa in 2017, excited to explore my family's homeland, but the most important thing that happened was meeting you. Even though we were long distance for 6 of 7 years together, I've always felt close to you.
I remember thinking that the woman you married would be the luckiest girl in the world. Beside you, I'm the best version of myself, and getting to be your wife is the honor of a lifetime.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Trevor, you may kiss your bride.
We made it.
We made it. I love you so much. I just want to be together all the time.
Yeah, I'm excited to be together all the time too. I feel like, never want to be without you.
As a team, Kate and Trevor are unstoppable. There is nothing that they cannot accomplish. And with that, let us raise a glass to the newlyweds.